Welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. So today there was round for TCS digital hiring. Yesterday there was also one round. There were two slots. So today now the slot number 3 was over, and I am going to discuss about some of the topics like what is the cutoff for next round, and the some students faced about the compiler issues, and there was little hard difficulty for quant section, that was advanced quants. So I will discuss them one by one. So do watch the video completely to understand more about it. So this was TCS digital hiring for digital role on TCS, that was for 8 LPA, and the exam was for three sections, that were verbal, advanced quants, and coding round. So the cutoff for the next round is, I think, you need to solve at least both the questions of coding round, and solve at least 5 to 6 questions of quant, and at least 80 to 90% of your verbal section should be correct to qualify for TCS digital. And if you can't score that, at least you have solved one coding problem, and you have done average on verbal and quants, then you may be considered for ninja profile. That was uh, that was the qualification cutoff for the next round. And if you get rejected on the interviews or any round after that, you will be again considered for TCS ninja profile, that is of 3.5 LPA, and TCS digital is for 8 LPA. So the difficulty of advanced quants, the quant section was little difficult, and its name is not quantitative aptitude, rather advanced quantitative aptitude, that consists of questions on arithmetic topic of difficult levels, and there were questions from SARDs and probability. So that was quite difficult. If you have solved more than 5 to 6 questions, that is enough for qualifying this quantitative aptitude section. And I think most of the students have not done beyond 10 to 12 questions. There was total 15 questions on verbal and quant. So if you have done more than 10, then you have done really good. The advanced quant section was very difficult compared to all other sections. And talking about the verbal section, there were you need to have very speed about reading the English comprehensions. That there were 15 questions and the time allotted was 10 minutes. So you need to solve at least one two questions in 3 minutes. That was the criteria, and three questions in 2 minutes. Rather, three questions in 2 minutes. So that was the speed you needed for this. So there were long comprehensions, and you have to read really quickly and answer the questions. So if you have done at least 12 or 13 correct among 15, there is a good chance to qualify for next round. So their next topic is there any negative marking? Yes, there was negative marking for answering wrong answers, and there was positive marking for +2 or for any questions you have done correct, and negative marking was 0.67 for any wrong questions. So if you have left any questions that you don't know, that is really good to help you boost up your score. And there was some serious issues about compiler, especially those who were coding on Python. So they faced really bad problems on compilers. So they cannot compile the questions, compile their code. Rather, they have to submit the code without even compiling and check the test cases passed. So this was serious issue from TCS side. Rather, the software the TCS is running was sometime hanging while compiling the code. So these are the severe issues faced among the TCS candidates. So it is recommended to write code in C++ or Java to get rid of these compiler issues. Rather, uh, if you face any compiler issues, Then if you have not submitted the code with submit clicking on the submit button, then your code will not be considered. Otherwise, if you have submit the code on final submit and if it passes all the test cases, then you will get the full marks. This was the scenario for coding section. There were two coding questions. First one was easy and second one was easy to moderate. So the current CTC of this TCS digital profile is 80 LPA, and for TCS, if you qualify for TCS digital, and for if you qualify for TCS Ninja profile, then there will be package of 3.5 LPA. So these were the basic questions among the students that I needed to answer. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do like this video, and subscribe to my channel to get more updates on job notifications and exams. Best of luck for your placement season. Thank you for watching.